turkey necks are for turkeys. That's what I have to say. So you know what? You look in the mirror and you don't like that skin that hangs down, guess what? There is a way for you to do something about it, and it is a new procedure that I am so excited to tell you about. I'm with Dr. Starkman at his brand new beautiful office. This place is absolutely gorgeous, Dr. Starkman.
Oh, thank you, Terry.
Thank you for having us.
Oh, it's great to have you out here. Yeah, we just opened 2 weeks ago, and it's been amazing, just the appreciation and how we've been able to meet the community in Arizona.
Yeah, I know you've had a great response. So you've been telling me about this procedure, and I'm so excited to share it with our viewers. It's called FaceTite.
Yes,
right?
So FaceTite is really the latest and greatest. There's been nothing like it before. It's a non-surgical option for facial rejuvenation, and it kind of gives people who just don't want surgery something that will give them the results of almost like a mini lift or a mini facelift without any of the downtime or surgical incisions.
Okay, because that is one of the biggest complaints I know me and all my girlfriends we talk about, right? All of this right here, the jowls, the neck. But what is really neat about this is that in here in your office you do a consultation, which you're able to determine if someone's a good candidate at that point.
Oh, absolutely. The consultation is where everything starts. So most of the people who come in to talk to me about FaceTite are either people that come in and they say that they really want a facelift, but they're just not ready to have surgery. Or there's also people who come in who are younger, who say that they want a facelift, but you take a look and they're just maybe not quite ready for one. They have a little bit of jowls and you just wish there was something to bridge that treatment gap.
Awesome. So what you can do is show them through your imaging of what it might look like once they have this procedure, which I love, kind of a try before you buy thing.
Exactly, right.
Okay, so kind of walk us through exactly what does this procedure do to our face?
So it uses radio frequency, and what it does is it uses a probe where it can actually transmit radio frequency energy to simultaneously tighten the skin and then also melt that fat, that submental fullness, the fullness and volume that we have in our necks to tighten the skin and do a little bit of a lift similar to what you would see with a mini facelift. And it does about 44% of facial skin tightening.
That is amazing. What's even more amazing, you do it right here in office.
Absolutely, yeah. We have our fully accreditation-ready surgical suite right in the back for a little bit of a discreet and specialized environment for patients to have their procedures and treatments.
All right, I want everybody to take a look at the before and afters because that's what we all want to know, right? What's it going to look like afterwards? Let's talk about downtime. How long are we down, or are we?
So the downtime that we normally say with a full surgical facelift, you're usually looking at about 1 to 2 weeks to heal and have the incisions heal. With FaceTite and radio frequency, you're looking at something closer to about 5 to 8 days. And there's no incision, so it's really just healing from any sort of swelling or bruising that really can just vary from person to person. But by 1 week, people are essentially healed and they'll see the results for months and years later.
And I know that Father Time continues to wear on us. So given that, how long will this procedure actually last?
People ask about how long procedures last, and they ask similar, how long does a facelift last? Well, a facelift lasts forever, but you know, as soon as we leave the treatment, we start aging again. With FaceTite, because it uses radio frequency and builds new collagen, patients actually look better at 3 months than they looked at 1 month. They look better at 6 months than they looked at 3 months, and their results continue to improve and improve all the way up to 1 year, and then they can expect that for years down the road until they start aging again.
Good answer. That's exactly what we wanted to hear. All right. On top of, first of all, thank you for having us at your office. It's beautiful. But most importantly, thank you for this amazing special offer. Okay, here it is. 20% off is what the doctor is offering. 20% off FaceTite treatments. Starkman Facial Plastic and Laser Surgeries located at 8560 East Shea Boulevard. That's Suite 110 in Scottsdale. 480-590-2697. You can also learn more at the website. It's scottsdalefacialplastics.com.